10 top distros for the third week of February. Coming in at number 10, Ubuntu. It is a very well built, very stable system. It has been around for a while. It can be used on older and newer computers. It has a GNOME interface and it works very well, and it's very clean and very quick at what it does as far as operating. As you can see, this is running on a virtual machine, and I'm running only 4 gig running the program, and you can see how quickly things will come up and work. This is Firefox, which comes with it, and you can see just how fast it responds. It's very good software, again, for older machines, slower machines, and laptops. This is number 10, Fedora. Ubuntu. Number 9, Fedora. This is another older version. It also is part of Red Hat software, and it's the user-friendly interface that it has on here, which is GNOME. If you click on there, shows the 2 screens that you can go to. If you click here, here's all your programs that you have available on it, and this is the GNOME desktop. If you click on the browser, you can automatically open up that. And this is the Firefox again. They all use Firefox. And as you can see, it actually comes up very quickly. And this is under a virtual machine, only using 4 gig. So you can see how it can run on older machines and newer machines, unlike Windows 11. We're going to close that out, and we'll close this out. And this is number 9, Fedora. Coming in at number 8 is Manjaro. Manjaro is again based off of Plasma KDE's environment, and again is very friendly interface, which looks a lot like Windows 11. So it's very easy to go from Windows 11 to this version of Linux. This is Manjaro, which is number 8 on the list. It also runs on older software and older machines and newer machines, as long as laptops also. It is very stable and is very well built. Coming in at number 7 is EndeavousOS. Again, it's using the Plasma KDE, so it's very simple to use. It's similar to Windows 11, so it's very easy to port over and to use this version of Linux. And this is number 7 on the list of the 10 for the 3rd week of February. Number 6 on the list is Zorin. Again, another well-built Linux software. It has been around for a while and is user-friendly. Again, it has interfaces that you would be used to having. It's very quick and responsive. It's very lightweight, and it can be used on older and newer computers and laptops. It has a beautiful interface. This is the way it comes set up now, and it's very user-friendly. Coming in at number 8, Zorin. Number 5 is CachyOS. Again, it's been around for a short period of time, but it is very stable and a very well organized Linux operating system. It's a little different than Windows.
Library home.
It also does speech. For those who are blind, it helps with that. So there's some speech that I'm using now, but not all of it. And you can use it to find things and go places and to do stuff. Again, this is CachyOS, and it's number 5 on the list. Number 4 on the list is Debian, one of the oldest versions of Linux that's being used. It was one of the first that came out when Linux was being used back in the 90s. It's the latest and greatest of all programs that it runs. It's always what we call bleeding edge. You have all the newest software that's available. It's always updating. And it is what other Linux operating systems use. Is they use either Debian or they use Ubuntu. Both are together. They use all the same operating system stuff, and other OSs use their base systems. And this is number 4 on the list, Debian. Number 3 on the list is MX Linux. It's another very well built, very stable operating system. It has been around for a short period of time, but it has been gaining a lot of people using it because of how easy it is to use. This is probably, again, another version of Linux that it would be easy for people coming from Windows to be able to use without a lot of issues going on. It is very quick and responsive. It can be used on older systems and newer systems and laptops. As you can see again, it's running in 4 gig of memory, and it is very responsive to what I'm doing. And the web browser becomes very responsive also. So it's a very good system for those who want something that's simple and easy. It's got a beautiful interface, and it's very enjoyable to use. I use it once in a while, and it's a very good system. Again, coming in at number 3, MX Linux. Coming in at number 2 is Linux Mint. It used to be number 1, but it's dropped down a little bit to number 2. And it's a very, very well used system. There's a lot of information about it out on the internet. If you have any issues, there's plenty of information that you can go through to have any problems you can get resolved. This is a Linux Mint. And again, it is a very well built, very stable system that can be used on older machines plus newer machines and laptops. It has very good speed. It is very well built and easy to use. It does run on 4K or better, and it is a system that I use all the time. This is my operating system that I use, which is Linux Mint. And this is coming in at number 2. Coming in at number 1, CachyOS. This is a very good operating system. It runs very well. It's very stable. And has been around a short period of time, but it has gained a lot of interest. So a lot of people have been using it. Again, it comes back to the same thing that you have where the interface is being used similar to what the Windows 11 is like. This is using Plasma KDE for the desktop. It's a very responsive system. It's very well built and comes with a lot of features, and you can add more features to it. It's a very good operating system. Again, it runs very well on older and newer machines as well as laptops. As you can see, the response of it opening up and going out to the internet on only 4 gig of memory. It works very well. It's user friendly, and again, it's one of the systems that if you're coming from Windows 11, you could come to this and have no problems learning it and feel like you're still using a similar system. And this is number 1, Chatty Linux. And that's it for the 3rd week of February, the top 10. This is Dennis, the mad scientist, who has been out for a while, and now I'm back. Please ring the bell, and please hit the subscribe and become a patron and help me to build my channel again. Thank you very much, and have a good week. See you next week with a new set of...
Shall we play a game?
You've got mail.
with a new set of Linux software.